If you're over 50 and thinking about your first crypto trade, this video will walk you through the essential steps before you put any money in. There's no jargon or hype, just the sensible way to get started. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to check, what to avoid, and whether crypto investing even makes sense for you. Crypto investment, simplified for over 50s. Essential steps before embarking on your first crypto trade. Quick disclaimer, this video is educational content only and not financial advice. These videos are a simplification of the hurdles in understanding the crypto market and real-life experiences I encountered in my transition from traditional financial markets to crypto markets. This video series is thus informational, not financial advice. There is an abundance of so-called information circulating, usually based on short-term, ever-changing commentary. It feels like being in a monstrous maze, trying to navigate through hype as compared to logical, focused, useful information. This series' desired outcome is to provide insight into the crypto market in a language that has been disentangled from the hype and hype, jargon for ease of understanding, and to highlight and hopefully negate for you the trials and tribulations I encountered on my journey into crypto. For me, the worst thing I could do is to take advice from influencers without doing my own research or using my own intuition, logic, knowledge, intelligence, and experience. As mature investors, we should be acutely aware of the need for security, understanding the risk versus reward trade-off of each impending investment. It is advisable that you do not put all your resources into one asset or asset class. Thus, spread your investment portfolio. However, in the investment domain, there is not only risk, but possible rewards. I have embraced crypto enthusiastically due to the enormous possibilities that the crypto market may generate for the astute investor. Crypto trading is generally deemed to be highly volatile and a high-risk market. However, for me, it is an exciting extension of my journey in the wonderful world of investment, based on an understanding of the market and well-informed decision-making. Think carefully before delving into any type of gearing at all. From my experience, the potential upside is usually highlighted with great enthusiasm, while the risks are often overshadowed. Gearing can greatly increase your investment potential, but can be catastrophic if the market turns against you. Please like, subscribe, and share. It helps the channel get to a larger mature audience who could greatly benefit from my own experiences. This series of videos is not intended to insinuate get-rich-quick fantasies, but to inform my audience in easier-to-understand language the path that I have been through in my transition from traditional markets to crypto. It is purely for informational purposes and is in no way a promise of any kind at all. I rely on my own expertise, having been involved in financial markets for decades. Information garnered through my research and knowledge gained through many years of higher education. The content in this video is my own creation and not AI generated. The reason I changed my mind from skepticism to optimism and adoption regarding crypto is that I don't want to be left behind in an ever-changing investment landscape. And boy, has it been fun. From the outset, my opinion is that crypto markets are extremely risky, mainly due to the volatility involved, but an informed, disciplined investor has an opportunity to do extremely well in this market. I will highlight the results of my initial trades in a future video. Discipline and patience are critically important. Be well informed and cognizant of the risk inherent or related to the asset class or investment arena before delving into financial investments, whether short, medium, or long-term intent is evident. Do not get sucked in by a fad or trend. Eye-catching headlines may garner clicks, but do not automatically reflect the true nature of the market. The crypto space is an evolving market, and crypto trading is generally deemed to be highly volatile and a high-risk market. However, for the astute investor, there is the possibility of tremendous opportunity. Ignore the white noise, the hype and influencers talking their book, and focus on fundamentals, associated risk, and long-term possibilities. The first in this series of videos is a step-by-step guide to commencing your journey into crypto. Don't try to understand all of crypto at the outset. It was a journey for me. Take one step at a time and ease your way into it. Make sure that you're comfortable with crypto investment by possibly undertaking a few exploratory trades too. Acclimatize yourself to the world of crypto. That is how I started, treating crypto like a day trader, before gaining confidence in what I was embarking on and migrating to the real world of investment, namely medium and long-term investment. Let's plot out the steps that I took to get where I am. Far more confident, far more educated, and far less intimidated 9 months later. If you search for a step-by-step guide to crypto trading, the responses I have seen usually start with education. I do not believe this is the first step. Here's my take. Steps to follow when embarking on your crypto journey. Step 1. Understand that crypto markets are predominantly unregulated. This indicates that market manipulation can readily take place without consequence. There is a deluge of insinuation of market manipulation, often with convincing evidence. Thus, be prepared for this. It is part and parcel of the current crypto market. Step 2. Determine your risk tolerance. Crypto is a volatile environment, and as mentioned, open to manipulation. Thus, weigh up your risk-reward scenario before undertaking a trade. However, as a well-informed investor, I have embraced the crypto space, despite being very wary of the tokenized industry for many a year. Step 3. Educate yourself. By being well-informed, one could benefit from the huge possibilities that crypto markets may afford you. Choose a trading strategy that suits you. Research various categories of crypto and ensure you understand the usefulness or uselessness of a particular asset. Trading strategies and crypto categories are to be demystified in a future video. I look for assets with real economic value or utility, as well as clarity. I would urge you to do so as well. Step 4. Create a trading plan. What are your goals? When should you enter and exit a trade? What are your timelines? When should you cut a loss or take profit on a trade? In undertaking my research, I came across advice that you should not take more than a 1 to 2% loss on any particular trade. This may work in traditional financial markets. However, I, personally, do not see that as an option in the crypto market, as crypto pricing often moves by more than 10% in a day. Thus, having such a tight stop-loss strategy would likely render you being stopped out of your position the same day you enter into it. Step 5. Choose a reputable exchange. There are apparently hundreds of centralized and over 1,000 decentralized exchanges globally. Thus, there is an array of choice available. Research and compare various crypto exchanges to determine the right fit for you. I suggest registering on a few platforms. My strategy was to utilize a local platform and 3 other major platforms from financially stable countries. There are various reasons for this, which I intend to explain in a future presentation. Step 6. Register and verify your accounts. When signing up for an account, you will likely be required to provide personal details, a government-issued identification document, and follow-up information requirements in order to satisfy regulatory KYC verification. There is no getting around this. KYC is done for AML and CTF reasons. Step 7. Secure your account through utilizing a strong password. It is recommended that you do not use family members' names. Birthdays are something that someone else may figure out. Although not necessary, it is highly recommended that you secure your account by enabling a 2-factor authentication, 2FA, as this adds an extra layer of security that requires facial or fingerprint recognition, or a code from your mobile, cell phone, or authenticator app in addition to your password. Step 8. Fund your account. Funds can usually be added to your account through a direct deposit, the use of a credit card, or navigating to the deposit icon on the homepage of your account. Probable future videos in this series are designed to provide insight into the following: your first trades, choosing the right exchange for you, Trading strategies: short, medium, or long-term investments. Fundamental versus technical analysis. Cold wallets. Crypto terminology. Government involvement. My trading strategy. My journey so far in trading cryptocurrencies. Crypto and taxes. My favorite cryptocurrencies. Hype and white noise. Let me know in the comments if there is something specific that you would like me to cover. Remember that nothing is guaranteed, and therefore an educated, well-informed decision on undertaking crypto transactions is paramount before delving into crypto and tokenomics. With essential first steps covered, in the next video we can look at how governments and regulators view crypto and why that matters to investors. Happy trading, Gen X and Boomers. Please like, subscribe, and share. You could also save the video for future reference if you feel the need.